Omega-3 fatty acids from seafood play a deeply supportive and often underestimated role in male sexual health, working quietly at the level of blood vessels, hormones, and cellular membranes. Unlike short-term stimulants or supplements that promise immediate effects, omega-3s improve the biological foundations of sexual function, which is why their benefits tend to be more stable, natural, and long-lasting. When men consume oily fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines on a regular basis, they're not just feeding muscles or the heart, but actively nourishing the systems that support libido, erectile function, and hormonal balance. One of the most important ways omega-3 fatty acids enhance male sexual health is through improved blood circulation. Sexual arousal and erection depend heavily on healthy blood flow, particularly the ability of blood vessels to dilate efficiently. Omega-3s, especially EPA and DHA, increase the flexibility of blood vessel walls and improve endothelial function. This allows arteries to relax more easily and deliver blood where it is needed, including to the pelvic region. Over time, this improved circulation supports stronger, more consistent erectile function without placing stress on the cardiovascular system. Salmon is especially valuable in this context because it provides a high concentration of DHA, a fatty acid that becomes part of cell membranes throughout the body. In blood vessels, DHA helps maintain membrane fluidity, making cells more responsive to nitric oxide, the molecule responsible for signaling blood vessel relaxation. Better nitric oxide signaling means smoother blood flow and quicker physiological response during sexual arousal. Salmon also contains vitamin D, which has been linked to healthier testosterone levels and improved sexual desire in men with previously low levels. Mackerel offers another layer of support by combining omega-3s with coenzyme Q10, selenium, and B vitamins. This combination supports mitochondrial energy production, which is critical for stamina and endurance, both physically and sexually. Testosterone production is an energy-dependent process, and when mitochondria function efficiently, hormone synthesis tends to be more stable. The anti-inflammatory effects of mackerel's omega-3s further protect testosterone by reducing inflammatory signals that can suppress hormone production in the testes. Sardines, though small, are nutritionally powerful and particularly efficient at supporting hormone balance. Their omega-3 content helps regulate the hypothalamic pituitary gonadal axis, the system that controls testosterone release. Omega-3s reduce insulin resistance and improve metabolic health, which indirectly supports testosterone levels since excess body fat and metabolic stress are known to lower androgen production. Sardines also provide calcium and vitamin D, both of which are involved in muscle contraction, nerve signaling, and sexual responsiveness. Another important benefit of omega-3s is their ability to lower chronic inflammation and oxidative stress, two factors that silently undermine male sexual health. Inflammatory molecules interfere with blood vessel signaling and can impair nerve sensitivity, reducing sexual pleasure and performance. Omega-3 fatty acids counteract these processes by shifting the body toward an anti-inflammatory state, protecting nerves and preserving the integrity of tissues involved in sexual response. Omega-3s also influence the brain, which plays a central role in desire and arousal. DHA is abundant in neural tissue and supports neurotransmitter signaling related to mood, motivation, and reward. Men who consume adequate omega-3s often experience better stress resilience and emotional balance, which can translate into improved libido and sexual confidence. Sexual health is not purely mechanical. It is strongly connected to mental clarity and emotional well-being, areas where omega-3s provide consistent support. From a long-term perspective, regular consumption of salmon, mackerel, and sardines helps protect against the vascular aging that often leads to declining sexual function with age. By slowing plaque buildup, improving lipid profiles, and maintaining vessel elasticity, omega-3 rich seafood supports sexual vitality well into later life. This makes seafood not just a performance-enhancing food, but a preventive strategy that preserves function before problems arise. Equally important is the natural balance these fish provide. They deliver omega-3s in their most bioavailable form, alongside protein and micronutrients that work synergistically. This integrated nutrient package is far more effective than isolated fatty acid supplements for most men, especially when consumed as part of a regular, whole food diet. Overall, omega-3 fatty acids from seafood offer a powerful yet gentle way to enhance male sexual health. Through improved blood circulation, stabilized testosterone regulation, reduced inflammation, and better brain-body communication, salmon, mackerel, and sardines help restore and maintain the foundations of male vitality. Rather than forcing the body into short-term responses, these foods support sexual health from the inside out, encouraging confidence, endurance, and natural function over time.